करा चालू सर.
Dear students, welcome for physical chemistry practicals. Today we have to conduct one of the physical chemistry experiment. Name of the instrument is conductometry. Out of them, we have to conduct one more important experiment for our coming examinations, for practicals. Those like here simple titration between weak acid and strong base. First of all, those experiments which are conducted in case of the two ways. Out of them, first one is to calibrate or to standardize the given instrument, and second one is to titrate the weak acid and strong base conductometrically. Let us, we have to start our first part of the experiment, that is a calibration of this instrument here. Let me know about the value of the calibration, that is standard value is like 1.000. At the time being, we have to say those instrument is completely calibrated, which are ready to carry out our further experiments. If any one of the student ask the question as like here, this is a not occur about 1.000, then we have to adjust this screw like here about this one here, then we have to titrate, then we have to calibrate here, just like here we have to adjust this reading by means of here 1.000, and then after completion of this calibrations we have to remove this knob in upward directions here. Then those experiments are ready to calibrate, to conduct our further experiments. Then after all, we have to give one beaker connected to the cell, then one of the weak acid, then strong acid and distilled water here. We have to require all this like here. This is a cell. Which cell here? That is a conductivity cell here. What is the purpose of this cell here? The cell whose concentration is to be determined by the particular cell, we can call that is the conductivity cell here. Then we have to take about here 10 ml of given acid by means of pipette. This is one particular pipette here. This I also take about this 10 ml of a given acid. We have to take up to the mark as like here, then insert those acid in given beaker, that is 100 ml beaker. Then we have to dilute those given acid by means of, we have to supply the distilled water up to the 50 ml here, as like the marking is given here. Then we have to just dilute the given acid up to here 50 ml. Okay, the total amount of this volume is 50 ml, but already we have to take how many volume here? How many? 10 ml, then 50, that's like here total volume is 60 ml, 50 plus 10, that is 60 ml. See the marking, that is 60 ml of total volume, and then keep those beaker on here table and insert the given cell, that is a conductivity cell, in that beaker here. Then we have to take the first reading without addition of alkali, that is the first reading like here 0.381, and we have to read those reading as like here, that is ms millisecond, 0.3879, or as like here 0.379. Then we have to take first reading, but if you have to read about this reading, the milli means m, as like here 10 raised to -3. Every reading we have to read, at the time being we have to record it The reading as like here 0.375 into 10 raised to minus 3 moles or Siemens, millisiemens here. Then we have to take burette, and those burette may be filled by means of here the given alkali, that is a strong alkali, like here 0.2 normal strong alkali. See here about this one. Just we have to fill. See here. Then we have to remove air bubble from this. Okay. And then we have to again fill completely up to the mark, that is initial reading 0 0 here. Okay. First reading we have to already note. Then we have to just add. Which one here? Strong alkali we have to fill in the burette. Every time we have to add 0.5 ml. Okay, just see here about this one, 0.5 ml. Okay, just stir. Take reading. Okay, then again add 0.5. Okay, then we have to stir and take reading. Again we have to add 0.5. Okay, then we have to take reading. Just those are carried out up to here 10 ml of alkali, and we have to stop our experiment. Those reading will become for our to plot the nature of graph. How we have to plot the nature of graph? Observation table may be like as here. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 21. Then ml of alkali added. First 0.0 ml. Then we have to observe conductance, and those we have to say observe conductance. This is our totally observation table. By using this observation table, we have to just plot the nature of graph, and those graph may be like here y-axis and x-axis. We have to take for y-axis observed conductance, and we have to take x-axis ml of alkali added. The nature of graph first, say here 0 ml addition means no addition of here this alkali. We have to just decrease the nature of graph, and after addition, those are increasing up to mark, and then again increasing, and finally we have to take the cross section of between them, and which indicate here the volume of alkali added, that is a neutralization point will be occurs. By the way, we have to find out here the volume of V2 from the nature of graph, and just remember here about we have to calculate, and we have to say that is the equivalence point of the acid here, that is a titration. Finally we have to take here the just the calculations. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. By the way, we have to calculate the acid normality, means N1 is equal to N2 V2 divided by here V1. We know about the value of V1 is a 10 ml we have to take in the glass, and just we have to dilute up to here the 60 ml here, that is V1 we have to complete it. Then normality of strong alkali is a 0.2. Then volume required for the titration, that is a V2, and those reading we have to put up, and finally we have to find out the normality of the given acid. That's like here N1 is equal to dash dash. Here on calculation we have to get your particular figure. That's like here 0.08 normal, 0.09 normal, or it may be like here 0.1 normal. Near about them, those values will be appear. After obtaining the normality, and we have to just finally take about a particular result of this experiment, and those result may be like in case of the two ways. One way, the equivalent point of the titration, that is P2. Those we have to use for the calculations. And second one, normality of the given acid, that is weak acid, acetic acid here, is equal to dash 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 N, just as you take you near about 0.08 N means normal, 0.09 normal, and 0.1 normal, near about those values will be appear here. If you have to supply here, which one here, weak acid, that is the 0.1, and strong alkali, that is the 0.2 strong alkali. Between them we have to obtain the particular part of this titrations. I want that here is a sufficient, and we have to just perform. If you have to come in our laboratory, that is applied. At the time being, I also take a review of that particular experiments, and we have to continue here. Just I also stop here. Okay.